Hello everyone, today I'm going to show you how to open source and share your project with others. Once you are finished designing your project and verify that it works, you might want to make it open source so more people can view and learn from it. The process is actually very simple. First, right-click on your project file. Choose Project Management and then click Share. Next, select Continue to oshwlab.com. Here, we need to fill out the open source information. Upload a project cover. It's best to use a real photo of your test hardware, so it's more convincing and clear. Rename your project. Keep the name short and clear so others can easily understand it. Choose an open source license. Pick one that fits your needs. If you are not sure which license to use, just click the little question mark to read the details. After that, add some tags for your project. For example, the main control is ESP32. You could add tag like ESP32. Then write a brief introduction and description of your project. This helps others quickly understand what your project is about. If your project includes code, schematics, videos, or other files, you can also upload them as attachments so people can easily download and use them. Once all the information is complete, just click Publish and Share. After the admin approves it, other users will be able to search for your project on the open source plat and check it out.